What else we need to get? Oh, get two of these.
This is two? Not that one. See the mark? That's no good.
Boy, bye. Hey, grab different ones. 15 of them.
Three. Yeah. And we can get two pinks. What's up? Like that. There's 15 in here now.
Okay. Take one of these out. And then just grab two more pinks.
Okay.
Okay, so I just got back from doing my mini food haul. I just picked up things we needed for the week to put with dinner and things we want to make. The first thing we got is some cereal for the kids for the morning because we was running low on cereal. That is some fish sticks, something they can have when put together for lunchtime. Got some mozzarella cheese sticks, something for them to try and have something they could put with a lunch or like an appetizer that we make for dinner time. They asked me when I was shopping to get some Nutella, so we picked that up. And I also got the popcorn chicken. They only had one, but I got it appetizer tray, so I can put this on it for the kids to try. I wish they would have had more. We picked up some bacon for breakfast. It was running low. And we got some juice for the kids. These are for the 3 toddlers. And then we got some Naked juices, Green Machine, Pina Colada, and Mighty Mango. I got some pink lemonade. I got 2 of these. Then we got just some things because we wanted to put some stuff on the grill. And we got some ribs. We only got 1 pack of these because we have some more in the freezer. So we just got 1. Some chicken. Some Italian hot sausage. And some smoked sausage. Smoked hot sausage. Some more juices to go with the other juices. So we just got 3 of these. Some hamburger meat, and we got more of these. So my husband picked this up. I don't know why we got so many of them. But you could never have enough because we can make so many different things with them. So that's our pork chops and steak. We got some of these. These are to make, they make smoothies and juice. And one of these make, it says, make a quart pitcher. So we got 4 of them. Some hamburgers. We still actually have some, but we got some more. A bag of fries. And we got these for the kids. So we have a bunch of different ones. We have different flavors for them. And we just got a tray of these. And we'll put them in the refrigerator. We'll be making some spaghetti this week. So of course we got some freshly grated Parmesan and some regular Parmesan. And some ragu to go with the spaghetti. And we got some Frank rolls because I told you we're going to throw some things on the grill. So we got some Frank rolls. Marshmallows. We got some popcorn. And we got some chips for the kids. A different kind. Those are those. And then these got these. Got some Texas pizza bread. And I got 3 boxes of these. Some mug treats. Mug cake. I got several different corns. I got some big corn on the cob. I got 2 bags of mini corn on the cob. Then I just got a bag of kernel corn. Hey you guys, I'm back. Had to go get my little helper. So I got some broccoli and some chopped spinach. And then I got some boxes of, I got 6 boxes of these so the kids can have some macaroni and cheese with dinner. And some Jiffy so we can make some cornbread. So we got 4 boxes of these. Okay you guys, so that's it for my mini food haul. Those are the things we'll be putting together with our dinner and lunch this week. And tell me you guys what you like to eat and what some of the meals you'll be making this week. Right? I had to go get my little helper. She was sad without her mama. You were sad without me? You were sad without me? Yes, you. Give me a kiss. Yeah. All right, everyone. So thanks for tuning into our channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. And please comment down below what are the things you like to eat and make for dinner, lunch, breakfast, and give me a couple of ideas for me, the husband, and kiddos. Thank you. Bye-bye.